Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I've got a project that you may have seen something very similar with me before because I did it as one of my Graphic 45 brand ambassador projects. So last year I did a recipe box using this kit that I got from Katz Crafts, and this is their 5x7 photo box. So it's MDF, really strong, goes together really easily, and I've got a tutorial which I will link in the description below on how to put one of these together. But when I did the recipe album box, I showed how to do all the dividers and things, and it was designed then to put your 5x7 photos in or your recipes. But I thought I'd have a go at turning it into this, which is a die storage box. So as I said, this came as a kit, and I've decorated it with Stamperia Mechanical SeaWorld because I just love that compass design there, and it matches all my other Katz items that are on my desk. So the box has this lovely curved lid, and it uses the archetype as a hinge on the back, so it's really simple to put together. I did use the Black Katz construction tape as well, so that I covered all the edges nicely as well. And then what they have brought out are these MDF dividers with this little cool half circle on the top. So when you have them in your box, you can write what's on them. But I said I was turning mine into a die storage. So what I did was I stuck some magnetic sheet onto the front of each of these. And then I went through and just put my dies onto it. So it's a really great way of keeping all your small dies together. So these are all my swivels. And then I've got some folio circles and things. So I just started to put them together. And I see I've got a lot of Katz dies, so the paper clips, I managed to put them all onto one. But it started to get a little bit heavy and running out of space. So what I also did was I cut some chipboard or some grey board, took again the black tape around the edge, and I stuck some magnetic sheet onto this. So this is 7¼ inches by 5½. So there's plenty of space then to put your dies. So in between each one, I do have this lighter one. So if you want to make this box and keep it lighter, you could just do the chipboard if you don't have the dividers. That's perfectly fine as well and will work. So that is my photo box turned into die storage. And as you can see, I've got a lot of these Katz dies, and some of them I've already got some tutorials on. There's already a tutorial on how to make this paper clip, but I was going to offer you a little deal. And in the new year, or this year, I thought I'd do a new series of videos, some nice short videos called Katz Quickies. And if there are any of the dies that you've got from Katz Crafts that you are unsure how to use or would like some ideas on how to use them, let me know in the comments below, and I will then see if I can come up with a nice short quick video for you explaining how they can be used. So I have done a top 10, photo slots being my number 1, which still are. But what have you got at home that you need some ideas for? So let me know. Katz Quickies are on the way. I've got a couple in mind already, but what is it that you want to see? So let me know in the comments below. And whilst you're at it, join me on my Facebook group called Paper Crafting with Paul, and also join Katz Crafts Facebook group too, because there's lots of inspiration in both those groups. Again, I will link both those groups in the description below. So a nice short video for you today. just to show you that photo box and how it can be used as die storage, and to ask you the question, what do you want to see? What do you want my next videos to be? So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and write your comments and your ideas in the description below, and I'll see you all again very soon.